Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's of course your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back with another video. And in today's video, guys, we have a pre-sale opportunity actually, and we will be talking about Remittix, which is cross-border payments reinvented. So they are basically making it easy to they enable you and all the users to pay fiat into any bank account around the world using your crypto by just simply connecting your wallet. So that's what they are trying to achieve, and they are currently in pre-sale phase. A lot of you guys have been inquiring me to go ahead, look around, find some cool pre-sale. So this one looks cool enough to me, and honestly I decided to give it a go to look around, kind of look around and find out, what I'm saying. And yeah, I decided to drop a video on them. So before we start, guys, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that said, we can dive right into it. Also, I wanted to thank you so much for the support under my last video. It's absolutely crazy. Anyway, let's get into it, guys. So as you can see, they have sold their 82% of pre-sale. So they raised over $5 million. The current price is, as you can see, 2 cents 72, and then the next price is 2 cents 82. So you can still take advantage of this remaining percentage, get it on this lower price, because when this fills out, basically it will go to the next phase, which will be 282. Okay, so this is what they sold. 82% of the current phase raised $5.2 million total, which is crazy. So yes, what they are doing, guys, they are making it easy to transfer your money in crypto towards any bank account anywhere in the world. That's basically what they're doing, as I said. And you have all the explanations here, which we will go through, and then I also will show you their giveaway, audit, and all the interesting stuff. So you have those nice previews and sneak peeks that basically are showing you how this all works, what you have to do basically. So as you can see, you normally put your IBAN number from your bank account, and then let's say you want to transfer this exact amount of Bitcoin and exchange it for euros on the bank. So the idea is definitely brilliant. It will make it easy to cash out your crypto or to send your crypto. I mean, let's say you want to pay someone for, I don't know, for anything really, like, I don't know, you want to pay for a car or something. Well, they might not want to accept crypto, but let's say they accept normal bank transfer, then you can basically pay them with euros using your crypto, so it's cool. So bridging crypto with local payment networks globally, Remittix empowers crypto holders and businesses to facilitate crypto to fiat transactions worldwide, leveraging local payment networks and blockchain technology. At last, enjoy the speed of crypto with the everyday convenience of fiat payments. So you can use your crypto to pay directly into any fiat bank account. User-friendly interface, which I definitely can agree with. Zero FX fees, which is great. Cross-border transfers come with a flat fee, no extra charges for FX, wires, or hidden costs. What you send is exactly what they receive, which is lovely, because they don't take any additional cuts. So it's very simple as well. As you can see, your recipient gets a bank transfer without ever knowing it started as a crypto payment. Super fast, crypto is received instantly and fiat is sent via local payment networks, ensuring same-day processing. So yeah, you have an explanation here, you have a sneak peek again. Which bank account would you like to send funds to? Let's say you want to send to US, to Chase Bank, you can do it, or you want to say to Deutschland, to Deutsche Bank, you can do it as well, right? And then other banks and all of that. So crypto to fiat payments made simple. Remittix operates just like your favorite banking apps, but we allow you to send crypto while ensuring your recipients receive fiat. When you need an easy solution for crypto payments, Remittix is your go-to protocol. So yeah, as you can see, they are also comparing them quite a bit to Stripe, Wise, and Coinbase. But obviously the cool thing with them is that, again, they want to bridge the gap, between crypto and fiat, and they want to allow you to exchange your crypto into fiat, which all of these other apps simply do not really allow, which is great that they want to bridge this gap. And it could definitely be great potential for them, because they would be like pioneering application to do it. So that's what I really like. That's why I like the idea so much. Easily accept crypto payments. Looking to offer crypto payments to your customers and settle transactions in fiat via Remittix Pay API. Our checkout feature helps you build straightforward crypto payment experiences for your customers, allowing them to purchase products and services with the same security and user friendliness as traditional fiat transactions on blockchain infrastructure. So this is also really cool. As you can see, you have those invoices that you can give to your clients, and so this is also a great solution for many businesses. And again, if you, for example, have a car dealership, or if you want to buy a car and utilize your crypto in towards this, then from my understanding, Remittix will make it possible, which is great. So you can set up merchant account using the Remittix platform or through our API and receive payments directly to your wallet with zero fees. Cash out your crypto in any way you prefer, including over 30 fiat currencies and 50 plus cryptocurrency pairs. Then you also have some YouTubers that talked about Remittix. They are getting quite a lot of exposure, which is great, because if you actually Google them, there is a lot of people talking about it. I'm not gonna lie. So obviously I'm gonna be the next person, which is very, very cool nonetheless. And yeah, I'm really happy to cover them because I think they deserve more spotlight. This definitely has quite a good potential. We have the tokenomics, which are very fair spread out in my opinion as well, because there is 50% towards pre-sale, 15% towards marketing, 12% for exchange listings, 10% for ecosystem reserves, then team takes 9%, which is absolutely fair for developing this, and 4% goes to rewards, right? And you know, 9% for a team. There are projects out there that are in top 25 coin market cap that take 80% for the team. Those who know that know. Well, not gonna, drop any hints, but many of you probably know. So yeah, it's really fair. Token details, you have the contract ID here. You have the name, you have the symbol, supply. The token is built on Ethereum, and that's also really good. Stable blockchain, so that's really nice. So they are essentially innovative pay-fi technology that, as I said, they enable seamless cross-border transactions, bypassing traditional banking delays and high fees. So the flexibility of crypto to fiat is also great because users can pay with over 40 cryptos, send over 30 fiat currencies to any bank in the world, minimizing volatility risks. Also, the transactions are affordable because it reduces fees significantly, making international money transfers accessible and cost-effective. It is also focused on financial inclusion, guys. It is designed to support individuals and businesses in regions with limited access to banking services. So Remittix Pay API allows businesses to accept crypto and receive money and send money as fiat as well. So mass adoption opportunities and a new wave of liquidity. So that's really cool. So overall, 750 million tokens are available in this pre-sale, guys. It definitely has a lot of potential. We have an explanation how to buy, who they are powered by, and they are also working with some strong partners. So now let's talk about the audit, which they have passed with flying colors, guys. 100 out of 100, very secure. So this obviously speaks good for the contract itself, for the project, that in fact the token is safe by this auditing company, Blocksafu. They also have this $250,000 giveaway that I told you about at the beginning of the video. So as you can see, there is still 87 days left, and you can complete some tasks and basically share a nice pool of this 250,000. If you want to participate, then you can go ahead and do so, of course. Then there is the roadmap. As you can see, it is divided to different levels, which I like. So level 1, define the project's vision and key milestones, formation of core team, smart contract development, deployment and audit, launch pre-sale website, initiate stage 1 marketing. Then they also want to pre-list on CMC and CoinGecko, influencer marketing campaign, which is always a great way of exposure, ambassador program, form strategic partnerships with institutions, beta release of Remittix wallet, which definitely we are looking forward to. And then level 3, hit 18 million soft cap, conduct team reveal, conclude pre-sale and prepare TGE, release full version of wallet, list on Uniswap and LocalP, list token on multiple centralized exchanges to improve the exposure. Level 4 is broad scale marketing, deployment of testnet, and then complete final development stages of the ecosystem. Then they have FAQ, some legal stuff, which obviously you can go through. And also, guys, what I always tell you in my videos, go check out the white paper before investing into any project. Go ahead, check out the white paper because it always contains the informations that you might want to see, all the tokenomics, all the allocations, roadmaps, all of that. So they do have this white paper. It's very nice and easy to go through because it's on Gitbook, which I always appreciate. If you guys watch my videos, then you know that I really like Gitbook white papers because they are so much easier to read. And it's just easier to read, and it's way better than your regular PDF white paper. So I'm gonna link it down below. Last but not least, guys, if you want to buy, you can join the pre-sale. Just connect your wallet, and that's where is your dashboard. That's where you can see your total balance, how much your tokens are worth, how many days there are left until the price increases, and then your payment methods. As you can see, you can pay with Ethereum, with BNB, with BTC, with USDT on Ethereum network, and with Solana. So they have multiple ways of accepting payments. Then you also have your referral link. If you want to refer your friends and get money for that, then you are also free to go ahead and do so. Different leaderboards, your transactions, buy now section, and overall the whole dashboard, guys. So if you want to stay updated with Remittix, go ahead, follow their social medias, follow their Telegram, follow their Twitter, so you don't miss any updates from them. And this will be it from me for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button, comment your opinions down below. I will be more than happy to engage with you and reply to your comments as I always do. Thank you so much again, guys, and see you in the next videos coming out soon.